In this video, I will guide you how you can insert 4-flyer in one page in MS Word document. So first click on the insert and on the right side, you will see text box, draw text box. And here are draw text box and paste a sample text. And now go to the view tab, click on the check grid lines, and now you can center it according to the page. And now Control D for another copy and paste the desired text. Another Control D and adjust at the bottom, zoom out. Another Control D to make another copy. So once you are happy with the 4-flyer on one page, then again go to the view tab and uncheck the grid lines. And here you can see that the 4-flyers have been inserted on the MS Word document. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.